The aspect ratio. Wing Interactive Calculator helps you determine key aerodynamic parameters for wing design. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate aspect ratio, calculate wingspan, calculate wing area, calculate mean aerodynamic chord, calculate induced drag coefficient, or calculate Oswald efficiency factor. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate aspect ratio. Next, enter your wingspan, B, wing area, S, aspect ratio, AR, mean aerodynamic chord, MAC, lift coefficient, CL, Oswald efficiency factor, E, and induced drag coefficient, CDI. Here's a worked example. I'll input 10 for wingspan, B, 10 for wing area, S, 10 for aspect ratio, AR, 10 for mean aerodynamic chord, MAC, 10 for lift coefficient, CL, 10 for Oswald efficiency factor, E, and 10 for induced drag coefficient, CDI. After clicking Calculate, the results show aspect ratio, AR, equals 10,000, mean aerodynamic chord, MAC, equals 1,000 meters, and the wing classification indicates high aspect ratio, found in commercial airliners, improved fuel efficiency, reduced induced drag. This classification helps you understand your wing's performance characteristics. Start optimizing your wing designs today. Find the link in the description below.